long time, but we're back and we're doing another review. It's a foundation review and it is the Morphe Filter Effect foundation. I got the shade Rich 330. If you don't know how to shade match yourself online, if you're like a little hesitant about going in stores still, I do have a video on how I do that and I use that process here. I would definitely say head over to the Morphe site because they have a lot more for you to like be able to really match yourself. They have imagery, they have video. She comes in a glass bottle here, so be careful if you're a little clumsy. She does come with a pump, which I personally enjoy for foundations. You get 0.94 fluid ounces, so just under 1 fluid ounce. And this is just supposed to be, let's read it, a soft focus foundation with medium to full coverage. It has hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, glycerin. It's supposed to be long wearing, it's oil free, it has a natural finish, and it's supposed to blur your imperfections. Ooh. Okay, so let's go ahead and swatch her, see if I got the right color. I think I did. Okay. So this is like the area that I like to shade match, swatch myself. So this is how much I've pumped out onto my hand. It's like about 3 pumps or so. And start to buff it out. Okay, so far this is a decent shade match. I was a little unsure about it, but it looks pretty good. I typically do go like a shade darker or so in my foundation, but this looks like it's like spot on for me. So if you were like close to me in shade or in complexion, maybe think about this color or something close to it. And this brush is bomb. This is from Revlon. What is this called? I think it's called their buffing brush or something like that. This is nice, I like it. Okay, so that is just one layer of the foundation down. So far she looks pretty good. Like the shade match is pretty spot on. It is a true medium coverage. I do still have some discoloration peeking through here. As far as like the blurring, the instant blurring, filter effect, soft focus, whatever, maybe it shows up on camera, but in person, I don't see that whole shebang everybody was talking about, you know? It does look nice, don't get me wrong. I like how it looks, but I don't know about the whole you're gonna instantly be filtered thing. This is the first Morphe product I've ever tried outside of like their brushes. I've never tried Morphe makeup. All right, y'all, so this is my finished look. So for the foundation, it gets an A+ for me. I feel like you have to have the full finished product to see the full like filter effect that they're talking about, but you definitely see it. Like it just like luminizes and brightens and everything in like all the right places. And oh, what's happening there, girl? And I'm enjoying it. For the price, this is $20. I would say this is on par with like my NARS, even my Chanel. Like this is on par with some really high-end foundations. So if you're on a budget, definitely go pick her up. Like I said, I have the shade Rich 30, which I feel like was a perfect match for me. So if you're close to my shade or complexion, I would definitely say give this shade a try, or somewhere in the ballpark area. I typically go for a foundation that's a little bit darker, so I might pick up another one that's like 1 to 2 shades darker, because in the summertime I do get darker, my face darkens up, and so I'll probably need something that's gonna, you know, match that. But I'm loving this. I did a little orangey, springy look today because I'm ready. I'm ready for the springs. I'm ready for the things. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already, make sure you follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys next time.